Picture this, a sleek, modern bathroom, renovated with precision and style. But how do you find the best bathroom renovation service providers in Toronto? It's all about quality, experience, and client satisfaction. First, seek out quality. The best providers use top-notch materials that guarantee longevity. Second, consider experience. The longer a company has been in business, the better their skills and knowledge. Lastly, look at client satisfaction. Reviews and testimonials can give you a clear picture of what to expect. The benefits? A well-renovated bathroom not only increases your home's value but also enhances your daily routine. It's about creating a space that's not just functional, but also a sanctuary. So where do you find these top-notch service providers? Visit inthegta.com. There, you'll find a comprehensive list of the best bathroom renovation service providers in Toronto. Or check out the description below. Remember, choose wisely. Your dream bathroom is just a wise decision away.